Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt. Hope you're enjoying the different videos on the page and looking at all the different categories that they're all in and finding the things that you want easily. If not, let me know. Today I'm going to talk about two phrases that will help you to add a couple more things to your kōrero that are pretty easy to say and have a lot of opportunities to say them, sadly. Some people use the word aroha mai, a lot of people, aroha mai for sorry or excuse me, and it's widely used. It literally means kind of more like love me or something like that, but this one is more, there are different other ways of saying I apologize and sorry and things like that, and the one that's a little bit more appropriate really for the meaning is more taku here. So you'll see there's a macron here, so this is more and this is here and this is taku, more taku here. It kind of means my bad, which in English I don't like that phrase, my bad, but it's in the Māori language perspective, this is a really good way of saying, oh sorry, I did the wrong thing, which you know, especially if we've made a mistake with something we're saying or in just life generally, and there's an appropriate time to say, you know, I'm sorry or excuse me. More taku here is one of them. It's kind of like for my mistake, so that's what that literally means. And if you hear somebody saying that, that means they're saying sorry or excuse me or I'm apologizing. And then you know this one, kōrero mai anō. So kōrero mai is talk to me, and kōrero mai anō is a really good way of saying kind of, can you repeat that? So say that again, because anō is again. When we say ka kite anō, that means see you again. So you can just say anō. So when you're talking to somebody and you're using a little bit of Māori language and then they say something back to you that you don't know what they're saying, you can just say, oh, anō, or oh, kōrero mai anō. So that's a really good phrase to have in your kete, kōrero mai anō, or anō, and then you can get them to repeat it more slowly. Ka kite.